Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to accept a YouTube collaborator invite. So first of all, I'll show you some of my uploaded content. So how can you just invite the person as well? So I'll show you the process. Just click on this edit button and you will see a panel like this one once you like start uploading. So you will see the similar panel. So just scroll down, click on show more, and if I scroll down, as you can see, this is the option called collaboration. You can do the same process from your mobile phone as well. So just click on invite a collaborator. And once you're here, invite a collaborator. So like there are multiple permissions that you want to give. So you have to search the username of the channel. So let's say this is my channel. Let me just open my channel. Like this is my channel. So make sure to enter the username, which is like this one. The one is name and the second is username. Just copy the username or you can just remember it and paste it here. And once you paste it, as you can see, my channel has appeared. So just select the channel and they will ask you like, do you want to allow analytics viewing as well? Just give the permission and click on create link. And now as you can see, this link has been created by the YouTube. So you just have to copy the link. Once you paste the link to invite your collaborator, you must copy the link and share it with them. The link is active after you save. So just click on it, save, copy and close. And let me just save this one as well. And just go back here and just paste the link. And as you can see, you will see the collaboration invite. Just click on accept. And after that, you like the collaboration invite will be accepted. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.